The Maverick breathed a huge sigh of relief upon seeing the Reggae Boy squad for the last 3 World Cup qualifiers. Obviously, we're out of the World Cup. But a big fear was that we would do exactly what we've been doing after every recent failed World Cup campaign, where we would throw away everything and everybody associated with the failed bid and start back from square one. Look at local players for 2 years, and then when World Cup qualifiers come again, we decide to say them not good enough and go back for a plane load of foreigners and start the cycle all over again. But for the first time in many moons, we drop out of the World Cup and we basically still named our strongest squad, inclusive of the foreign-born players. That is the way to go. Continuity must be the name of the game. We never prepared for this last campaign. Make we start prepare for the next one from now. Call up our best players every time. Some might come, some might not come. At least we will know who is who from early. Have the team play together as often as possible. We don't have many of these moments very often these days. But the Maverick have to say, big up to the JFF this time for doing the right thing and the bright thing.